Hello beautiful creatures, welcome back to my channel Phyrra. If you're new here, my name is Cordelia and I love bright and colorful alternative makeup, gothic fashion, mental health, lifestyle, poodles, and more. So please click the little subscribe button down below and don't forget to ring that bell if you want to join in the conversation. Today's video is going to be a very quick 2 eyeshadow tutorial and minimal makeup look, which I don't do very often. I'm going to be featuring the Salt New York Sneaky Balm, which I recently purchased and wanted to check it out since it's supposed to be a great light coverage product. I think that it absolutely looks amazing with my skin. What do you think? Anyway, if you want to see how to quickly put together this tutorial look, just keep watching. I've already applied my Concrete Minerals Glitter Eyeshadow Primer. So for this quick little eyeshadow tutorial, I'm going to be taking this color right here called Suit, and I'm going to use a Sigma E25 brush. I'm putting product on the brush, tapping off the excess, and then I'm going to start at the middle part of my eye in the crease and start wiggling in a windshield wiper motion to apply and blend this color out. What I really love about this particular matte is that I feel like it almost blends itself. So if you're looking for a quick 2 eyeshadow look, a product that basically can create its own transition color is nice. And you don't have to worry about it being even on your lid, just get like a light coating on your lid. And I like to take it past where the extra folds of my skin are at this part of my eye, just to make my eye shape look more pleasing to me. And I just kind of blend it up and out with this brush, and it gets softer. I think this is an excellent matte to work with. Now I'm going to be taking a Sigma short shader, which is an E20, and taking that same color Suit and applying this to the lower lid. I'm going to use another brush to blend it out. This is a Cosmetics N149 brush. It's like an airbrush. I'm using it for blending purposes. And then I'm going to take this NYX eyeshadow brush, which is a number 43, and I'm going to dip it in this product, which is called River, this color right here. I'm going to spritz my brush with Urban Decay's All Nighter Spray, and then I'm going to pack this onto my lid. I'm not normally someone who wears neutralish looks, but this is kind of like a plummy brown, and I feel like it makes my blue-green eyes really pop. And I'm going to apply my Thrive Cosmetics Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara. This is my holy grail mascara. I have not found a mascara that works better for me. I've tried all different types of tubing mascaras at this point, but this is the one I've had the most success with, that I feel like makes my lashes look the best. Now onto the rest of my makeup. I'm going to do my brows with my NYX Micro Brow Pencil in gray. And I have a scar on the side, but I am not as self-conscious about it as I used to be. Okay. So next is going to be my skin, and I'm going to put on the Danessa Myricks Prism FX Hydrating Lotion in the shade Gold. I used to avoid gold, but I found out that gold looks good on me, so I've been trying it out more regularly and kind of enjoying the results. I still prefer silver, but gold is not bad. I basically wipe any excess that I have onto my collarbones, just because I like a little bit of highlight on the collarbone. I feel like it looks good. For my foundation, I'm going to apply Salt New York Sneaky Balm. This is right here. the one over here in this top left corner. And the shade is N13. And I'm going to apply it with my IT Cosmetics airbrush foundation brush, which is like the N101. And I like to apply it by stippling it onto my face. This color is, in my opinion, a great match for my skin tone. And I love being able to have like on a barely there foundation that just is like a my skin but better look, because I prefer light coverage foundation. I don't particularly like this little pan, like the little 4-pack pan, because I feel like, you know, even with what I think is a like normal sized foundation brush, it's kind of hard to just get my brush in there and not touch the other, like I don't want to touch the other colors that are in there. I switched to an Eco Tools brush that's for concealer to go around my eyes, just because I find it easier to control a smaller brush near my eyes. I haven't tried their blush before, so I'm gonna go ahead and try this blush. It's the red blush in here. I think the color name is Horny, because yes, that's what we want, sexual names for all of our makeup. Oh my goodness, that's very, very pigmented. I'm going to switch to blending this out with my fingers. Yeah, I like that. I like the little red tint. And I'm going to try their cream highlighter right here, which is Pearl. I know that I probably will not find this to be shifty enough for me normally, but for today, it'll be fine. I love an iridescent Lit from Within glow, but I like my glow to be in unnatural, otherworldly colors. And this is just a pearly white highlighter, so it's pretty, but definitely not my usual preference. But it's good to try different things. I'm going to take this brush really fast just to blend out the edges a little bit more smoothly. And I'm just taking whatever's left on this brush to make sure my right side and my left side match. I'm gonna use a Q-tip to pop off the excess. There we go. Mascara that was on my lids, because inevitably that will happen to me. Okay, now when I've been wearing this, I have been preferring to set it with my Fenty lavender powder, so I'm going to do that. And for my lips, I'm going to go with a very simple, like basic color. I'm going to put on Lime Crime's Soft Touch Lipstick in Stellar Pink. I love and commend them for creating eco-friendly packaging. I think that's awesome. Grab a lip pencil really fast. I rarely ever will put on lipstick without a lip pencil first, just because I like my lip lines to be good. I'm going to use Chiffon, Lime Crime Chiffon. So let me zoom in so you can see the finished look up close. I think this is an excellent, really fast, quick 2 eyeshadow look. And the rest of the makeup didn't take very long as well. Thank you so much for watching, beautiful creatures. I hope you enjoyed this quick 2 eyeshadow tutorial and then like seeing how the Salt New York Sneaky Balm and N13 looks on my skin. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you have any tutorial requests, please let me know as well, because I'd love to create a tutorial for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share. I love you all, and I'll see you next time. Bye.